Hello everyone, Mr. Hart here. Today we are going to be learning how to use a multiplication chart to help us solve division problems. As you're learning more about division, you're starting to recognize some similarities between multiplication and division. And we can use one of our multiplication charts here to really help us solve some division problems. But eventually, we're going to know all of these facts, and we don't even need to use a multiplication chart to solve multiplication or division facts. But let's just jump in and try to solve some division using our multiplication chart. Let's say we have the problem 32 divided by 4. We have the problem 32 divided by 4. Now our dividend is 32, our large number is 32. Our divisor is 4. This is our smaller number. To use our multiplication chart in order to solve this problem, the first step is to find the 4 on our multiplication chart. Once we found the 4, we're going to go down until we find 32. We're going on a safari to find 32. So I'm going down, down, down. Once I find 32, I'll stop and trace it to the very other side, and that will tell us our answer. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Once again, we started by looking at our divisor, our smaller number, which in this case was 4. I find 4 on my multiplication chart. I trace down until I find my dividend, which is 32. Once I find that dividend, I slide to the left and I find my answer. Let's try another example. Let's do 24 divided by 8. Remember, step 1, find our divisor. I look at the divisor. Here's 8. Now I'm going to go down the 8 column and I'm going to try to find my dividend, which is 24. We're hunting for 24. Oh, there it is. That was a quick one. Once I found my dividend, I slide it over and I find my answer, which would be 3. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Let's try a couple more. $56 divided by 7. Step 1, find our divisor on the top of our chart. In this case, our divisor is 7, and here's our 7. I'm going to be sliding down the 7 column looking for 56. Slide down. Here's 56 right here. Now I'm going to slide to the side. I'm going to find my answer, which in this case is 8. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Find the 7, slide down until you find 56, then slide over, and you'll find your answer. All right. One more problem, and then you're on your own. We're going to do 12 divided by 6. Step 1, find our divisor on the top of our chart, which in this case it's 6. Here's our 6. I'm going to go down the 6 column until I find my dividend. Whoa, that was quick. That was the second one. I found 12. Now I'm going to slide over. And that is our answer, 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. There's a lot of different ways to use division, or there's a lot of different ways for for you to use multiplication to help you solve division problems. This is just one tool that we can use quickly to help us solve some division problems. Eventually, we expect you guys to have these facts memorized so you can use them by the snap of your finger. But until then, the multiplication chart is a great way to practice your facts and gain confidence with both multiplication and division. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you next class period.